Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So we will go over to those charts. So yeah, for our chart, we can see we are still battling with this this resistance. We had our trend line drawn in from yesterday. So we've obviously lost that trend line and are still under this 9,200 zone. So Bitcoin really does have to make a move. I kind of get the impression if we don't get above it today, then we will be coming down to here today instead, and we're going to make a decision either way, either up or down. I don't think we can sit under this much longer now. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. So let's have a look at the Stokes. For our Stokes though, looking like they could potentially turn back up, which could indicate that we're going to go up. 12 of our Stokes clearly still moving nicely up, and daily Stokes look like they're going to potentially cross over again. So I mean, the move could be to the upside. The formation on the shorter time frame certainly looks like an ascending triangle. We've certainly got we've got higher lows for sure, and then a high there and a high there. And this is obviously this 4-hour candle halfway through, so you never know, could get a higher high and break through on this candle. But we've got to do something soon. If the bulls don't take this opportunity to get us above here now, then then we are basically going to struggle. And then I mean, it will be a test around this 8,600 zone, but not that has to be the worst thing. You can see in this channel that we've got drawn previously, we have had a few failed attempts to try and get above resistance, a few here as well failing to try and get above resistance. So we have had that happen. So I mean, we're failing to get above this resistance and come down. I mean, ultimately we can get ourselves to a nice strong support. Sorry, it's phone going off constantly. We could basically get down to here and then have a nice bounce from this what would be the most important support area for me, in my opinion. So yeah, I mean, that could be what does break us back to the upside. And then also the top, if we do get down to here around this period of time, which is basically a week, we can then, obviously the top of the channel will only be this 9,200 we're trying to break, and then so if we do get back up there, break that both, and then we can be on our way to wherever we are gonna go. So yeah, another quick video today, not really too much to show you there. That's kind of what we're looking at. I mean, I expect we're gonna have a move. I expect today. I mean, I may be wrong. I don't think we can hang around here too much longer. I mean, it may just be a small move above the 9,200, and then we just sit and consolidate in a tightish range like we have been doing relatively above 9,200. That could be likely. But yeah, I do feel if we get above 9,200 and consolidate there, we will then start to push on. So, but failing that, we'll be coming down to this level, and I think we'll take this level out. If we fail here and we start to come down, I think we will take out this 9,000, and then yeah, we will be looking at eventually working our way down to this 8,600 level, and then making some proper decisions at that level. So yeah, that's all I've really got for you guys. So yeah, check out my altcoin video, some DeFi alts that I've been looking at. In the link is should be on your screen now. And remember, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I will speak to you guys later.